Welcome to the episode 3.3 of our Meta Ads Masterclass. Yes, that one masterclass that shows you how to professionally set up Meta Ads from beginning till the end. In today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how to professionally set up or connect your pixel to your website. Yes, in the previous lesson, episode 3.2, I showed you professionally how to create a Meta Pixel account, and I also explained to you in episode 3.1 what Meta Pixel does and how it can help your ads become productive. In this video, we would now be connecting our already created pixel to our website. Now, if you have missed all this episode I've talked about, don't worry, you've not lost anything. Check the comment section below. The pinned comment has the link to the entire masterclass where I showed you from beginning to end how to professionally set up Meta Ads up to this point. In the previous lesson, we created a pixel. In this lesson, we are going to be connecting a pixel to our website. So if you missed those lessons, after watching this video, ensure you go back, click on the link you find in the comment section below. It will take you to the masterclass where you see all the videos in that playlist. Let's get started. How do we connect our already created pixel to our website? In this context, we're going to be using a WordPress website. First thing first we need to do is to identify the pixel we've created. First of all, make sure that you are logged into the business portfolio that you actually want to use to create that pixel, or that you've created a pixel on, which is this, the dry cleaning hub, and this. So make sure you're logged into the ad accounts. After logging in, we go over to all tools. You see Event Manager here. Click on Event Manager. And we're going to find that pixel that we created. Now, if you go over there, you're going to see data sets. Click on data sets. And here you will see the pixel that we created the last time. In that previous video, I showed you exactly how to create this pixel. Now, we mentioned that there are so many ways or so many options of connecting these pixels to get data, whether from website, from servers, and the rest of them. But what concerns us here now is to get website events from browser activity. So we're going to be using these options that says we want to gather website events from browser activities. So click on what? Set up Meta Pixel. Now, once you click on this, you're going to see two options that will be brought up to you. One is install code manually, and two is what? Check for partner integrations. I'm going to be showing you the easiest way to do it right now. What do? Click on install code manually. Now, there are three basic steps that have been given to you that you'll be using to install this pixel. Number one is what? Copy this code given, paste this code to your website, and number three is what? Save the code or save the changes on your website as it were. This is a very, very simple step. I won't waste my time into doing this. Let me just show you how it's done. First thing first, copy this code. This is the pixel code that we'll be using to connect this pixel to our website. After copying the code, you would now be required to log into the back end of your website. Now, we want to install this pixel on this beautifully designed website that we designed for a client, just to show you an example of how this is done. There is no pixel installed on this website currently. So we need access to the WordPress back end of this website. So we will just be going over, logging into this dashboard, and the very first thing we want to do is to go over to the plugin section and add a new plugin. Yes, the plugin we're going to be adding now is a plugin that is called WP Code. WP Code. I'll just come here and search for WP Code. Yes, once you search for WP Code, it's going to bring up the plugins here, and you see the WP Code here. Insert headers and footers. This is it. This is the icon. Click on install now. Good. After installing, you activate. So after activating, if you click on dashboard, you will now see a section where you are now expected to do what? Put in this code that we have copied. And that's what we call the code snippet section. Now, let me briefly explain to you what this plugin that we have just done will do for you. Now, if you go back to the event manager section where we are trying to install or create the Meta Pixel, you will see the first instruction is copy this base code. We have copied it. The second instruction is what? Paste the Meta Pixel code between the head tags of your web page. You may already have other existing codes between the head tags, so just paste the pixel code underneath that but above head. Install the base code on every page of your website. This basically is something that a programmer is supposed to do. Because you who do not understand where the header section of a website is or where the code section of a website is might not be able to do this. So normally you are expected to hand this over to your programmer or a developer to get this done for you, because only developer knows the header section and knows where to paste this code. But with the help of this plugin that we have just installed, that we mentioned, that is what, code snippet, it can help us manually put in this code in all the positions where it is supposed to be. All you need to do is what? Come over to code snippet, click on header and footer. Then we paste this code in the header section of this what? Code snippets. Now you see header here, click on this and paste. We have pasted that code that we copied from number 1 as seen here. This number 1. This code we copied here, we have just pasted it here. And we click on what? Save changes. Automatically, this code snippet will now go over and look for this head section on every page and install this pixel code that we have just put on all those pages. You don't need to do it yourself. It is going to do it for you. So with just this simple step, this simple procedure we have just done, we have installed pixels on our website too. Just like that. Now let's go over to the section here and then we click on continue. We click on turn on advanced matching, click on done, and we are now good to what? Good to go. Our pixel have been installed professionally on our website. But we need to confirm and verify if truly this pixel have been installed on our website and if it is the correct pixel that is installed. How can this be done? Now there is a plugin or an extension, a Google Chrome extension that is called the Pixel Helper extension. If you are using Google Chrome, all you need to do is what? Go to the new tab like this and search for Pixel Helper. Hit enter, you're going to see this first one that says Meta Pixel Helper. Click on this. Click on Add to Chrome. As mentioned, it is a Google Chrome extension. So what does this extension help you do? The extension helps you see if a pixel is successfully installed on a website. And not just that, it shows you the pixel code that's installed. So if I click on this extension options here, you're going to find the extension here. Click on this to pin it to tab here. Now come over to the website where you have installed this website or this pixel. Reload the page. I'll reload this page. After reloading, then I come over here and click on this My Pixel Helper extension too. As you see here, this pixel have successfully been installed on this website. What's the pixel ID? 2719 is what ends it. So if I go over to my event manager here, I would see that automatically the pixel I have here is what? 2719. So congratulations, we have successfully installed pixel on this website as you can see here. So it means that we can now start tracking activities of people who visit these websites and the action that they take. Yes, I mentioned 2 things. Tracking activities of people who visit these websites and the action that they take. We've just done the first part, which is tracking the number of persons who visit the website. But the second part, which is tracking the action that they take, is something that we have not done. In fact, that is what we call setting up or tracking the events on a website. But first, let us explain what is an event. Simply put, an event basically is an action that somebody takes on your website. For example, when someone visits your website and scroll through the page of the website, it is tagged as a what? A page view event. A page view event. Now, when someone clicks on a button on your website, it's also tagged as an event. When someone fills a form on your website and submits that form, it is titled or tagged as a what? A lead event. Now, when someone adds a product to cart on your website, it's tagged as a what? As an add to cart event. And when someone completes a payment on your website, then it's tagged as a purchase event. So apart from you installing Pixel on your website, you need to set up all of these events manually on your website so that Pixel will know what everyone is doing on your website. So right now, we've just installed Pixel. Now, it automatically activates the basic event that we call the page view event. That is why once you come over to the Pixel Helper tool here, you will see that one event has been triggered, which is what? The page view event. So it is you that owns the website that will now determine which other events you want to do what? Track on the website, which is exactly what we're going to be doing in our very next lesson. So in the next episode, episode 3.4, I'll be showing you how to professionally set up your Pixel events. I'll be showing you professionally how to set up your purchase events, how to set up your lease events, how to set up add to cart events, how to set up your start trial event, and every other event that we can actually track on this website. You see this Pixel setup we have just done and the Pixel event setup we are going to do in the next lesson. That is what separates random advertisers from serious digital marketers. And if you are building a real business, this step is very, very important. Don't joke with it. Now, if you find this video helpful, like this video, ensure that you drop a comment in the comment section below telling me Pixel connected. And very importantly, share this video with someone who is struggling with Meta Ads. How would you know if they are struggling? Share it on your WhatsApp status. In fact, the entire link to your playlist so business owners can see this and get started. And don't forget, the link to the playlist that carries all the videos in this Meta Ads Masterclass is down there in the comment section below. If you missed any episode, go back and watch everything in its order. This is episode 3.3. I'll see you in episode 3.4. And if you are fortunate enough, you will see that episode 3.4 showing here, where I'll show you exactly how to professionally set up your Pixel events. I'll see you in that very next lesson.